I'm Princess.
I'm Exequiel.
And this topic is all about CPU scheduling.
CPU scheduling is a process which allows one process to use the CPU while the execution of another process is on hold due to unavailability of any resource.
The aim of CPU scheduling is to make the system efficient, fast and fair. CPU scheduling algorithm have different properties and maybe favor one class of process over another. Many criteria have been suggested for comparing. This includes CPU utilization measures how busy is the CPU. Throughput is the amount of work that a computer can do in a given period of time. Turnaround time measures how long it takes to execute a process. Waiting time is the total amount of time process spends waiting in the ready queue. Response time is the time from the submission of a request the system makes the first response. Non-preemptive scheme. FCFS, SJF, PRIO. FCFS algorithm, first come first serve, is an operating system process scheduling algorithm and a network routing management mechanism that automatically executes queued requests and processes by the order of their arrival. With first come, first served, what comes first is handled first, the next request in line will be executed once the one before it is complete. Process P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. Arrival time 4:06:8:10. Burst time 14:10:8:16:20. SpongeBob as P1. Patrick as P2. Squidward as P3. Mr. Krabs as P4. Sandy as P5. In an ATM machine, Patrick arrives at time 0. SpongeBob arrives at time 10. Mr. Krabs arrives at time 24. Squidward arrives at time 40. Sandy arrives at time 48. Solutions TS at equals weight P1 is 6. P2 is 0. P3 is 32. P4 is 18. P5 is 38. The total is 94. AWT is 18.80 ms. Weight equals RT. TT equals DF, at P1 is 20. P2 is 10. P3 is 40. P4 is 34. P5 is 58. The total is 162. ATT is 32.40 ms. ART equals 18.80 ms. ATH equals 0.07 p ms. SJF algorithm. Shortest job first is a scheduling policy that selects the waiting process with the smallest execution time to execute next. SJF is a non-preemptive algorithm. It is very much particular with the length of CPU burst a particular process maintains. Example. Process P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. Arrival time 7, 3, 5, 0, 3. Burst time 4, 6, 2, 5, 3.
Created using PowToon.